Hey guys, I hope you are well. I just wanted to give you a breakdown from last week's number 4 on how we worked it out. So the actual sum was 4 times 10 plus 20 equals 5x. Now the same as if I have 2 plus 3 equals 5, I can swap the whole thing around and say, well, 5 equals 2 plus 3. Doesn't matter which way around you write the sum. And it's always quite easy to have x equal something. So have your x's on the left and your numbers on the right. So what I did in this first step was I took that whole sum and I just swapped it around. So I put the 5x on this side and I put this whole number over here, this whole sum on the right hand side. So 5x, there it is, equals 4 times 10 plus 20. So I just wrote the same sum and I swapped it around. So on the right hand side here, I've just written what I did. Okay, so now in the next step over here, all I did was multiply my 4 times 10 out. So 4 times 10 is 40, and I was left with plus 20. My next step, I added that plus sum up. So 4 plus 20 equals 60. So now what I'm left with is 5x equals 60. And then, to get rid of this 5, you have to divide by 5. So this side divided by 5 leaves me with x, and this side divided by 5 leaves me with 12. Now that I got 12, it's very, very important that you go back and plug it in and make sure that you get that same answer. So I'm saying x equals 12. So if x equals 12, 5 times 12 is 60. Do I have 60 over here? 4 times 10 is 40, plus 20, 60. 60 equals 60. Absolutely. Now, number 5. Oh, this was a tricky one. No one got it right. I was hoping I'd try and catch you guys with at least one of them, and number 5 was the winner. So the first thing you do over here is let's move our 52 across. So if I can either move my 52 across or I can move my 2x across. Now, because I've got minus 2x, I think it's going to be easier if we move that across to the other side. Now, the way I can get rid of minus 2x on this side, I need to add 2x to this side, and of course add 2x to that side to keep it the same. So on this side, I'm left with 52 equals 28 plus 2x. So that's what I did. So I added 2x to this side, that gets rid of that one, and I added 2x to this side to keep it the same. So I've got 52 equals 28 plus 2x. Now it's nice and simple. I want to get rid of this 28. How do I get rid of that 28? I'm minus 28 from this side and I'm minus 28 from that side. So let's write it out. So I'm going to have 52 minus 28. And now I'm not going to write my 28 over here because I got rid of it. But I am left with 2x on that side. All right, well, let's simplify this now. 52 minus 28 is 32, 20, where am I now? 52 minus 20 is 32, minus 8 is 24. Is that right? Might need to double check my working out there. My brain is half asleep today. Okay. Well, we'll see when we plug it back in, won't we? Now I'm left with 24 equals 2x. To get rid of this 2, I divide both sides by 2. So that means on this side, I'm going to leave with x. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Okay. We can even swap it around and say x equals 12, not a problem. Now, I wasn't too sure about my working out over there, so let's plug it in and double check. As soon as I plug it in, if I don't get that answer on the right, then I know that something was wrong. So I'm saying x equals 12, so let's plug it back over there. If x equals 12, 2 times 12 is 24. 52 minus 24 is indeed 28. So my answer is correct. Does that make sense? Let's try a couple more of these tougher ones and see how you guys do.